Finally, Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer has what to use against federal government in court. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafran IPOB, is reportedly ready with a proof that he did not jump bail in 2017. Aloy Ejimako, his lawyer, boasts. According to Ejimako, who made this revelation while speaking exclusively with Daily Post, the IPOB leader will prove that the Nigerian government made him flee Nigeria. The lawyer maintained that the military invasion of Nnamdi Kanu's home threatened his life, and it made him flee the country as he was unable to attend his trials. Recall that Nnamdi Kanu was arrested and arraigned in court for charges bordering on treason in 2017 before Justice Binta Nyako of an Abuja Federal High Court granted him bail. Ever since then, Nnamdi Kanu was nowhere to be found, which led the federal government to declare him wanted. To this end, he was rearrested and extradited back to Nigeria last month after several years of reportedly jumping bail. Meanwhile, Ejimako has now dismissed the claims of jumping bail, insisting that the threat to IPOB's leader's life made him flee the country. Despite what he has passed through, Nnamdi Kanu was in a high spirit when I met with him yesterday, July 17, and he is looking forward to the first opportunity to debunk this whole story of him jumping bail. To date, he has never had such an opportunity, even as he had previously requested it in the proper forum. In my considered view, Kanu never jumped bail. Something made him to flee Nigeria and not attend his trial in October in 2017. That something was the military invasion of his own state, which was subsequently brought to the attention of the court in an application that was never heard to this day. So perhaps this whole unfortunate incident will provide the first opportunity to ventilate this nagging question of jumping bail, as it will easily be shown that Kanu never made a voluntary decision not to attend his trial. Jumping bail takes some sort of voluntary act on the part of the defendant. Kanu's case is purely a case of involuntary act or omission brought by the action of the Nigerian government that had him on trial and thus held an abiding legal interest for him to remain in Nigeria to take his trial. In truth, it is the same Nigerian government that claims Kanu jumped bail and thus seeks to benefit from it that destroy Kanu's capacity or duty to appear at his trial. On the proponents of the evidence, it will be unreasonable for anybody to conclude that Kanu jumped bail. It's not a case of jumping bail simpliciter. Rather, it is a clear case of an adverse party forcing Kanu to flee, only to turn around and accuse him of jumping bail. It's a clear picture. Even in the courts, it will still be stated that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu left the country because he wanted to save his life. In a process where your home is invaded, not just invaded, but was invaded with force, with military and weapons, what is expected of you? Are you expected to sit and allow these people to come in and meet you? you will definitely do something to save your life. Nnamdi Kanu was even so lucky enough to save his life, because had it been he was caught, my dear viewers, I bet you Nnamdi Kanu would have been a forgotten person by now. He would have been a forgotten person by now. So definitely, Nigerian government have questions to answer. They will not say that they are not the one that came after Nnamdi Kanu in Afaroko. That is Nnamdi Kanu's hometown. Oh, will they say that it is the gunmen? While the trial was still going on, they came after him to execute him before the end of the trial, because they have already seen the future of the trial, that Nnamdi Kanu will definitely be free. So what do you expect Nnamdi Kanu to do? Okay, for you to now know that truly these people came to execute Nnamdi Kanu, since they didn't see Nnamdi Kanu, what did they do? They have to execute 27 family members of Nnamdi Kanu. And at the end of the day, they end up saying that Nnamdi Kanu jumped bail. What is jumping bail? You see, our problem in Nigeria is that we don't understand the law. We have a law guiding us in this country, but we don't understand it. And I don't blame us, because even the so-called Minister of Justice, AGF Malami, doesn't understand the law. He doesn't understand the law. Because if AGF Malami understands the law, you will know that the process he passed through in getting Nnamdi Kanu abducted is a very unlawful process. It's an unlawful process. It's a criminal process. Just of recent, he started recognizing that, and he started saying, I am sorry. I am sorry for yourself. Say that to yourself. We don't understand the law, and it is killing us. And the ones that understands the law, we try to enlighten us about the law. We will be claiming that we know the law. We still be claiming. My dear viewers, these are the things that Ejimako will definitely use to get our Nigerian government apprehended or trapped during the case. There are other things aside from this. Ejimako is just giving you people a tip. Do you understand? He's just giving you a tip. Let me hear from you anyway to know what you have to say. Please don't forget to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.